Guys, it's white capping out here. Like I'm talking, what do you say, Randy? 15 to 20?
Yeah, 20 easy.
Yeah.
Not the most pleasant fishing conditions.
No, but we're getting it.
Getting a few long.
Things to do.
I'm changing my blue. Got a few on this electric chicken, but that seems to be more edible.
All right. Let's give it another whirl. See how bad it's white capping, guys? I mean, it's coming on pretty good. We're still catching fish. I caught it out too, Randy, like out.
Way in there?
No, I'm talking